Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Chrome completed downloads app icon badges on your Android device. If you've ever downloaded something in Chrome and wished you had a quick way to know it was finished, this simple setting will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's walk through it step by step. First, grab your phone and open your main settings. This is where we'll adjust the notification settings that control how Chrome communicates with you. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lets you view and manage all the applications installed on your device. From here, you'll want to look for Chrome. Go ahead and tap on it to open Chrome-specific settings. Inside Chrome's App Info page, tap on Notifications. This is where you can control everything about how Chrome shows alerts, pop-ups, and badges on your device. Next, tap on Notification Categories. This is important because Chrome splits different types of alerts into categories like downloads, media, and more. Now scroll through the list until you find Completed Downloads. This is the exact category that controls the little app icon badge that pops up when a download is finished. Once you've found it, tap on Completed Downloads. You'll see some options appear, including one that says App Icon Badges. All you need to do here is toggle it on. And that's it. From now on, whenever you download something in Chrome, your app icon will show a small badge letting you know the file is ready. It's a small detail, but it gives you a quick visual confirmation without even needing to open Chrome or check your notifications panel. So, to recap: Settings, Apps, Chrome, Notifications, Notification Categories, Completed Downloads, and then toggle on App Icon Badges. Thanks for watching.